Hello guys, welcome to my channel FBqueen Home Decor. If you are new, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more latest updates of home decor. In this video we brought latest top 100 plus fall selling ideas. The fall selling of your home is one of the most important features that you can have in your home. It can be used to create a sense of spaciousness, and it can also be used to provide a sense of security. However, there are many different ways that you can go about creating a beautiful ceiling. One way is by using a gypsum false ceiling. A gypsum false ceiling is a type of ceiling that is made from the layers of plaster of Paris or other materials. These layers are made up of several different pieces that are joined together with glue or other material. These layers are then joined together with another layer or other material so that it looks the ceiling you see when you look it from the outside. This type of ceiling is often used in homes, offices, where people have moved in recently and want to create a sense of newness and growth within their home. A false ceiling is a design concept that is used to create a false ceiling effect by placing a ceiling over the floor. This can be done by using a piece of wood or plaster or any other material that is strong enough to support the weight of the ceiling. The idea behind this design is that it creates a false ceiling that looks like the real thing. The main purpose of this design is to create an illusion of height and height difference between the floor and the ceiling. This is done by placing a piece of wood or other material over the floor and then covering it with another piece of wood or other material. This creates a false ceiling effect that looks like a higher than it actually is. This type of design can be applied to any room in your home, but it's especially useful for rooms with low ceiling and small space where you want to create an illusion of height. The most common type of false ceiling is the gypsum false ceiling, which is the type of false ceiling that is used to make a number of products. The false gypsums can be used to make a variety of products, including tiles, furniture, and building material. The product made from the false gypsums is usually made from sand or gravel and sometimes also include other material such as clay or cement. The most common use of for this false ceiling is in making tiles and other building materials. The false gypsums can be used to make furniture and other products such as flooring or walling. False gypsums can be used in many different ways, so it's important to check with your local building department before using it in your home. You can also check with the manufacturer of the products you're using to see if they have any restriction on its use. The false ceiling idea is a great way to get people to pay attention to your room. It's a great way to get them to notice that you are serious about your work and they should pay attention. The false ceiling is a popular idea that can be used to create a sense of safety in an office. In the past, it was common for people to believe that if they were not careful, they could lose all their property. There is no longer true. It is now common for people to believe that if they are not careful, they can lose everything. A false ceiling is a way of creating sense of security in an office. It's a way of creating sense of safety in an office and home because it allows employees to feel like they are not responsible for anything that happens in the workspace. The false ceiling idea has been around for some time now, and it has become more popular each year as more people start believing that they can lose everything if they aren't careful. False ceiling have been used to create a sense of safety in many different industries, and there are many different reasons why this idea has become so popular. One reason why it has become so popular is because it's allow employees to feel like they are not responsible for anything that happens in the workplace. Another reason why it has become so popular is because it allows employees to feel like they are not responsible for anything that happens in the workspace. False selling or gypsum's false sellings, also known as plaster board. They are factory manufactured board of hydrated calcium sulfate that are used for false selling. Gypsum board are used for false selling and also as partition walls in office interior. Advantages of gypsum board includes low cost, easy of installation and finishing, fire resistance, sound control and availability. Gypsum board building systems are easy to install for several reasons. Gypsum boards panels are relatively large compared to other materials. They come in 4 feet wide sheet in length and 8 feet, so they quickly cover large wall and ceiling areas. Gypsum board assemblies requires several tools for their construction. Gypsum board can be cut with either a utility knife or a variety of saw. It can be attached on galvanized metal or wood with a variety of fasteners. Gypsum's false ceilings have gained prominence in recent times because of their seamless finish and look. An added advantage of gypsum false ceiling is that one can decorate the room in a beautiful design, conceal wires, soundproof the room, and ensure the fire safety and energy efficient. Interior designers often recommend installing false ceiling to add in additional design elements to the room and to make it look exhausting. False home ceiling design also conceal excessive wiring and enhance the aesthetic value of the house. Homeowners find false ceiling installation to be more energy efficient as well, as it keeps away the excess cold and heat. However, one thing which leaves property owner confused is the materials to be used for false ceiling. While there are a number of options available in the market today, gypsum is one of the most common materials used by designers to help you to make an informed choice about the best selling design. Here is a detailed guide on a gypsum false ceiling and things you should know before installing false ceiling design for your home. There are many pros of gypsum false ceiling design. Number 1, easy installation, effortless cleaning. Number 2, seamless look with gypsum ceiling. Number 3, factory make means consistent quality and finish. Number 4,